Hey everyone, welcome back to Andy's World. I'm so excited about today's video because it's all about celebrating Eid, but not just anywhere, but in Europe. We're talking about those unforgettable trips with your family and friends, those core memories you keep tucked away in your heart. And trust me, after this video, your travel bug is going to be out of control. You're welcome. We're diving into the top 7 must-visit destinations in Europe.
So buckle up, grab your passport and maybe a snack, and let's get started. Alright fam, our first stop takes us straight to Istanbul, Turkey, a city that's basically a real-life time machine. Seriously, when you're walking down those ancient streets, with the call to prayer echoing in the air, you can practically feel the history. We're talking Roman Empire, Ottoman Empire. It's like stepping into a history book, but way more delicious because Turkish delight, hello. Okay, so why is Istanbul perfect for Eid? First off, the mosques here. Absolutely breathtaking. Picture this. You're all dressed up in your Eid finest, heading to the Hagia Sophia or the Blue Mosque, feeling that incredible sense of community and celebration. And the food? Don't even get me started. From mouth-watering baklava to savory kebabs, Istanbul is a foodie's paradise. Trust me, your taste buds will be thanking you. But it's not just about the food and the history. Istanbul is also about the energy. The Grand Bazaar, forget about it. It's a whirlwind of colors, scents, and that chaotic energy that makes you feel so alive. You can haggle for souvenirs, sip some traditional Turkish tea, and just soak it all in. And for those Insta-worthy shots, Istanbul's got you covered. From the iconic Galata Tower to the colorful Balat neighborhood, your Instagram feed is about to be lit. Next up, we're heading to Spain, but not just any city. We're going to Granada, a place where culture and history collide in the most beautiful way. Think Moorish architecture, flamenco dancing, and the scent of orange blossoms in the air. It's like something out of a dream. Now, Granada is home to the Alhambra, a palace so stunning it'll take your breath away. Imagine exploring those intricate courtyards, listening to the fountains, and feeling like you've stepped back in time. And during Eid, the atmosphere is electric. The streets come alive with music, lights, and the aroma of traditional Andalusian cuisine. Speaking of food, Granada is a tapas lover's paradise. But for a real taste of Eid, you have to try the Moroccan sweets. Think almond pastries, dates, and honey-soaked treats that will satisfy your sweet cravings and then some. And don't forget the mint tea. It's not just a drink in Granada, it's a way of life. Whether you're wandering through the narrow streets of the Albayacin, getting lost in the beauty of the Alhambra, or indulging in some delicious tapas, Granada promises an Eid experience that's both magical and unforgettable. Now get ready to be charmed because our next stop is Sarajevo, the heart of Bosnia and Herzegovina. This city has this unique blend of East meets West vibes, with stunning mosques, Austro-Hungarian architecture, and a history that's both complex and fascinating. But don't worry, Sarajevo is also incredibly welcoming and family-friendly. Let's talk about Bas Garcia, the old Turkish quarter. Imagine cobblestone streets lined with craft shops, the smell of freshly baked bread in the air, and the sound of traditional Bosnian music. It's the perfect place to find unique souvenirs, sip some strong Bosnian coffee, and just experience the local life. For those breathtaking views, head up to the Yellow Fortress. The hike is so worth it, especially at sunset. And while you're there, take a moment to reflect on Sarajevo's resilience. This city has been through so much, but it's come out stronger than ever. And you know I can't forget about the food. You have to try the civar pie, these little grilled meat sausages served with flatbread and onions. So simple, yet so delicious. And for dessert, baklava, of course, it's a classic for a reason. Okay guys, get ready to cross the channel because we're heading to London, baby. London during Eid is a whole vibe. This city knows how to celebrate diversity, and Eid is no exception. We're talking about massive festivals, delicious food stalls, and a buzzing atmosphere that you won't find anywhere else. First things first, you have to check out the Eid in the Square celebration. It's huge. Picture Trafalgar Square transformed into this vibrant hub of culture, with live music, delicious food from all over the world, and activities for the whole family. It's the perfect way to experience the true spirit of Eid in London. Now, London is home to some of the most stunning mosques in Europe. The East London Mosque is a must-visit, with its beautiful architecture and peaceful atmosphere. And if you're looking for a unique shopping experience, head over to Edgware Road, known as Little Cairo. You'll find everything from traditional clothing to spices and sweets. And I can't forget about the food. London is a melting pot of cultures, so you'll find every type of cuisine imaginable. But for Eid, you have to try some traditional South Asian sweets like gulab jamun and jalebi. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Bonjour from Paris, mes amis. Get ready for a magnifique Eid experience in the City of Lights. Paris is always a good idea, but during Eid, it takes on a whole new level of charm. Picture strolling along the Seine, the Eiffel Tower twinkling in the distance, and the aroma of delicious food filling the air. It's pure magic. Let's talk food because Paris, from melt-in-your-mouth pastries to savory crepes, Paris is a foodie's paradise. And during Eid, you'll find special treats and dishes in abundance, especially in the 18th and 19th arrondissements, which have large Muslim communities. Be sure to try some traditional Moroccan sweets like chibakia and selou. They are divine. Now, Paris is home to some of the most iconic landmarks in the world, and visiting them during Eid adds an extra layer of specialness. Imagine taking in the view from the top of the Eiffel Tower, or exploring the Louvre Museum, surrounded by the festive atmosphere. It's an experience you won't soon forget. And for a truly unique Eid experience, head to the Grand Mosquée de Paris. It's a stunning mosque with a rich history, and during Eid it's buzzing with activity. You can join the congregational prayers, enjoy traditional food, and soak up the festive atmosphere. Hello from Amsterdam. Get ready to experience Eid in one of the most charming and picturesque cities in Europe. Amsterdam is known for its canals, bicycles, and laid-back vibe, making it the perfect destination for a relaxing and enjoyable Eid getaway. First things first, Amsterdam is incredibly welcoming and diverse, so you'll feel right at home celebrating Eid here. You'll find mosques and halal restaurants throughout the city, making it easy to observe your religious practices and enjoy traditional food. Now, Amsterdam is a city best explored on foot or by bicycle. Rent a bike and cycle along the canals, taking in the beautiful architecture and charming houseboats. And don't forget to stop for a picnic in Vondelpark, Amsterdam's version of Central Park. It's the perfect place to relax, enjoy the sunshine, and soak up the festive atmosphere. For a taste of Moroccan culture, head to the De Piep neighborhood. You'll find tons of Moroccan restaurants, tea houses, and shops. It's the perfect place to experience a little slice of Morocco in the heart of Amsterdam. Last but not least, we're jetting off to Marrakesh, Morocco, a city that explodes with color, culture, and a sensory overload in the best way possible. Imagine stepping into a world of bustling souks, stunning palaces, and the aroma of spices filling the air. It's like something out of Arabian Nights, and trust me, it's an experience you won't forget. Marrakesh is a feast for the senses, and during Eid it's even more special. The city comes alive with lights, music, and the aroma of traditional Moroccan dishes. You'll find families and friends gathered in homes and restaurants, sharing festive meals and celebrating together. Now, one of the best things about Marrakesh is getting lost in the labyrinthine alleyways of the Medina. It's a sensory overload of colors, scents, and sounds, with vendors selling everything from spices and textiles to pottery and leather goods. Be sure to haggle for the best prices, and don't be afraid to get a little lost. That's part of the fun. And speaking of food, Marrakesh is a foodie's paradise. From tagines and couscous to pastilla and harira, Moroccan cuisine is a delicious blend of sweet and savory flavors. And during Eid, you'll find special treats like chibarkia and selou, which are a must-try. For a truly unforgettable Eid experience, I highly recommend spending an evening in the Jama'a Al-Fna Square. It's the heart of Marrakesh, and during Eid, it transforms into a magical open-air theater with storytellers, musicians, acrobats, and food stalls. It's the perfect way to experience the true spirit of Marrakesh and celebrate Eid in style. And there you have it, folks. Our whirlwind Eid adventure through Europe comes to an end. From the ancient streets of Istanbul to the bustling souks of Marrakesh, we've covered some seriously epic destinations to make your Eid celebrations unforgettable. Remember, travel is all about creating those special memories with your loved ones, trying new things, and embracing different cultures. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your next Eid getaway. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and destination guides. Have a wonderful Eid holiday.